Rock Web5 from rural innovation to global revitalization. Hi everyone, today I want to take you on a journey that might surprise you. One that begins in a small Chinese village and opens up into a vision for the internet's future, and we are calling Web5. Simple input, Web5 equal Web2 plus Web3, but it's not just adding numbers. It's similar to the yin and yang of Taiji. It's about the dynamic finding the perfect balance, combining Web2's accessibility and user experience with Web3's sovereignty and resistance to censorship. It's about building technology that works for human first. Our journey starts in Nantang Village, a place with a remarkable 26-year history of rural community buildings. What makes Nantang unique isn't just its landscape, but its pioneering spirit. For over 2 decades, Nantang has been experimenting with decentralized governance model long before blockchain existed. Their journey reads like Chinese 4 great classic novels, as they described it. They begin with water margin, 水浒传, face of resistance and right defense, where villagers fight against land appropriation and environment destructions, to finally journey to the West, creating spiritual and community values and by everyone together. What's fascinating is how they are create their own hybrid social operating systems. Using Robert's rule of order for community discussion, WeChat group for daily coordination, and blockchain to record work points. Moreover, actually you can use cryptocurrency to buy rural goods here, so it's really amazing in China, right? We can say that they were practicing Web5 before we even coined the term. This March, we brought developers, designers, and innovators to this village for our first Rock Web5 hackathon. The goal wasn't to disrupt or extract, but to learn and co-create with the community for some really interesting things. What happens when you create this kind of environment? You will get more than 30 participants and 5 projects with real heart and soul. This is amazing since Nantang is a village that's not a common place to conduct hackathon. And honestly, the participation really surprised us. So I want to introduce some projects to you. First, Nervous Dog, an AI community companion built on the Nostr protocol. What makes this project special isn't just its technical implementation, but its character. The team created a adorable digital dog that scan content across various platforms for valuable CKB-related discussions, and then reward the creator with micro tips. By building on Nostr rather than centralized platform, the dog enables the Web5 principle of connecting different systems. Another remarkable project was Constowner, the consensus star map. Constowner visualized a community's important moment and star in the sky. The brighter the sky, the more consensus exists around it. The project helps DAO overcome a fundamental problem. As the organization grows, consensus weaks and coordination becomes harder. By making abstract value visible, Constowner helps maintain the intimate connections, even the community grows. Okay, perhaps the most touching project I think was Liang Wa Wu, a project connecting rural children with digital opportunities. In the team's world, while everyone in the Web3 discussion make money, but they want to make real opportunities to bring the rural children close to the wider opportunities. The project creates art space in rural area where children can create their digital works as NFT, and each child will have their own digital record growth on the CKB. So you can say that all these projects are not just the technical implementations, they are examples of Web5 for humans and organizations. Then let's talk about the technical foundation of Web5. Firstly, on the Web3 side, we appreciate the Bitcoin's architecture, especially its POW UTXO. Why? Because based on this, we have the P2P network. Then Bitcoin's Lightning Network was innovative to enable fast, no-cost payment. But we all know that it has some limitations. First, such as it's primarily designed for Bitcoin only, and it faces challenges such as liquidity management and its lack of advanced financial functionalities. That's why we are building Fiber Network, a next-generation payment channel network on CKB. It has similar but improved design to Bitcoin Lightning and is integrated with it. You can see that there have 4 parts and how the Fiber network works. Moreover, beyond this, Fiber network natively supports multiple assets, including such as stablecoin, Bitcoin, and RGB++ assets. Moreover, through edge nodes, Fiber can integrate with the native Bitcoin Lightning and any other channel networks like Cardano's Hydra. Therefore, we believe that the Web3 part of Web5 should build on the channel network, I mean Lightning, Fiber, and more. Then on the Web2 side, we have Langster, a simple social protocol. What makes Langster special? Firstly, the openness. Langster designed a basic JSON data structure called an event that anyone can extend without permission. What this means that if you want to build a Langster Twitter, just use the kind=1. And if you want to build something completely different, just create your own kind numbers. This simple approach means that the ecosystem can evolve organically. Second, net verification. Every message is signed by the user's key and easily verified without heavy computation or global state. Third, Langster can serve as a connection layer between systems. Here's we think where Web5 really come together. For instance, we have developed the Langster binding protocol to mapping Langster's events with CKB and Bitcoin's UTXO. This allows first, Langster's account to double as CKB wallet. Second, any Langster message to become an on-chain asset, and there will have the seamless assets flow between Langster, CKB, and Bitcoin. What does this mean? Imagine social interactions, identity, and transactions all flowing through an unified system, and we think that this might be the Web5 system. Let me show you some exciting things. This is a preliminary Web5 application that combines AI, Langster, and blockchain. What you see is a simple locally running small 7B parameter language model. When launched, it generates a private key that serves as both the Langster and the CKB account. They are unified through the protocol we mentioned above. The AI can perform various actions. It can post on Langster, check its CKB balance, send transactions, and even control connected device, just like the printer. You say, I promoted the AI to ask any question it would want to ask human. It sends what's the meaning of consciousness directly to the printer. Then I send 1,000 CKB to the AI and ask it to send back 100 to me. You can say it do this transaction with the hash verifiable on-chain. In the demo, Langster glues the AI, blockchain, and the physical equipment. Now let's see a demo through gaming. I will show you a simple, shorter game that integrates Fiber for real-time micropayment. As you play, each time you scored by hitting an enemy ship, you earn 10 CKB instantly transfer from the enemy nodes to you through Fiber. But be careful, when you get hit, you lose 10 CKB back to the enemy. The transaction happens in milliseconds with a virtually low fee and can be made using not only CKB, but also Bitcoin, stablecoin, or even NFTs. Create a seamless play to our experience and can revolutionize the GameFi era. This domain how Fiber enable new economics model and its power for the Web5. Finally, let me show you a recap video of our local Web5 in Nantang. Yes, it's a very loving video, right? And just as the video shows, our next stop is Shenzhen, China's manufacturing powerhouse and innovative hub. We believe that Shenzhen can be the perfect place to explore how Web5 can revolutionize manufacturing, IoT, and hardware industries. And our booth, we are demonstrating how Fiber combined with USDI, a Bitcoin native stablecoin, enable AI-powered green energy systems where solar panels and charging stations can pricing, trading, and settling energies in real time. I really encourage you to visit our booth, the booth D1, to see the demonstration in action. And after Shenzhen, we are taking Web5 global. Each location will bring its unique challenges, cultures, and opportunities, and we will adopt Web5 to serve real human needs in different contexts. Okay, so I want to say that Web5 isn't just about technology, it's about values, humans, and real life. I invite you all to join us. Web5 needs you. Let's rock Web5 together. Thank you.